Hi, today let's try this portable blender by OBERLY. I got a green one. So first, let's put some orange inside. Add water to make a cup of orange juice maybe. Close the cap. Now let's try to hit the magic button here. Only one button. Well, it seems to be there's close. Okay, stop. At the beginning I thought maybe I add too much water, so there's some oranges stuck at the beginning, but it turned out to be very powerful, this small thing. And if you open this on the top cap, it has a very good design. Okay, let's see here. They have a filter on the top, and you can just pour your juice outside, only your orange juice without the fruit, which is a good design. Okay, I think this portable blender is good for home users, and as well as when you hit the road trip. Well, thanks for watching.